y'all. It's D here.
And MJ.
And MJ.
Alright now.
Yeah, we went out garage selling today. Couldn't get everything on footage because the GoPro went dead. But, and then the Goodwill I went to, they didn't let me bring in my backpack. Which I didn't even think to just start recording and hold it in my hand. But did pick up some good stuff. We'll show y'all when we get home. But I'll give y'all a little sneak peek. It was a Wii game, if y'all can tell, you know, what color the case is.
Make sure
but,
the receipt's down there.
yeah, so we got some good stuff. We'll show y'all whenever we get home. And stay tuned. So we'll go over the big haul.
Okay? Yeah. Is it recording? Good.
This is how she treats me, y'all. Take 3. Well, if the thing. Take 3. So, me, you, and MJ is about to go over the haul that we got today. It was a lot of stuff.
So that's cool.
This is all for 25 bucks. We got all of this for 25 bucks. And the games alone will get us into profit sometimes. So these for sure will make us some money. So yeah, got all of that. I'm trying to.
It's not on the video.
It's pointing right at your toes. Cut.
Take 4.
Take 4. So we'll show y'all our haul we got today. We got a pretty big haul today.
And
all of this is from garage sales.
Yesterday and today.
Yeah, yesterday and today.
All garage sales. No estate sales. All garage.
We'll try to hurry up and go through everything with you guys just to speed things up. But MJ is the deal finder. She finds all the deals. So yeah, we have these Turtle Beach headphones, and these are pretty expensive. And they are in pretty dang good condition. So we have 1, 2, and 3 of these controllers here, and they all come with these rechargeable battery packs, and it even came with the little charger base for them. So that is going to be pretty cool. And we got all of this stuff for 25 bucks.
We didn't even know what all was in there, you know. We just saw some games and a couple controllers at the time.
I asked him what he wanted to pay for them. What did he want? He was like 30. I asked if he would do 20 for all of it, and he said 25 deal. So
About 25. Deal. Okay. Let me run inside and grab that quad.
Okay. And then we just got some little games: Gears of War, Grand Theft Auto 5, Modern Warfare 3, Tom Clancy, Call of Duty Black Ops 2, and Pro Street for Need for Speed. But then I'll just hurry up and go through this. This is actually ours because if you don't know, MJ is pregnant, so we're and these aren't her ultrasounds, but we're gonna put them in there. We got this and this from that same garage sale, and also these little bands, 50 cents, and we paid $2 for both of these. And then she gave us this Scentsy that sells. Whenever you see the little lines, those are the plugs that you want to look for.
It's got this little Scentsy thing.
Yeah, because these things will go, if it has a little scent pack, because they're supposed to smell, these things can go for at least 20 bucks. So if there's any kind of plush, that's the one you want to look for. He had 3 of these PS3 controllers, and he gave me all 3 of these for $1. So that's what I like to see. And also he had 2 PS2 controllers. Both of these were for $1 too. At another garage sale, we got this, and this. These were 2 garage sales that were like right next to each other, like next door. And we got this book. I like to deal with manuals. This probably isn't the best manual to get, but I had that feeling like I just need to buy something to make this dude feel better. And then this little Galaxy tablet type of thing.
Yeah, Samsung Galaxy 2 is like a GTP 1300 PS, I think. Or
Yeah, we only got it for like $10.
$10, yeah.
Yeah.
I think I overpaid a little bit, but
Yeah, well, that's fine.
I still
it
flip
does.
it.
It'd go for like 50 to like $200 on the high end. So.
Well, what do you want to give?
Well, she wants it, so she
Okay,
can
she
can say the price on what
you
she
do
wants.
5?
yeah, or 7.
7?
No, you said 10.
Keep going up. Keep going up. Okay, let me see. Jody, what's the lowest you want to go on this?
10.
10? Okay. $10.
At another garage sale, we got these two games for $1. This is like a $15 to $25 game. This is like a $10 game. And then this Minecraft I got for $3. How much are these? Oh, really?
4 for Minecraft, 5 for the
You wouldn't do 2 for the Minecraft, would you?
3.
I'll do $3 for you. And then we got this fetal Doppler.
Not like
for
our very
MJ.
first sale.
Yeah, this was like at the very first sale. She was just talking about looking for one of these so she can hear the baby's heartbeat whenever she holds it up to my belly. And so we got this for $5.
And those at least, you know, the cheapest one I find is like 25. So
Right. So we have this PS3 and this other PS2 here. The PS2 we got, we went to a garage sale at like 6:30 in the morning, and when we went to the garage sale, it wasn't even open. So it doesn't open till 8. But I went up and I just asked her, could I look at the PS3 stuff, and she brought it out. She was asking 40 for this and 30 for this, but I got her to go down to 25 for this, and I picked up some games which are actually in the room. So we'll probably show y'all that later. And then this little thing, we got another bundle with a bunch of games with this.
it was like 20 games.
Yeah, it was a lot of games. So with this we paid $20.
And it came with 2 original Sony controllers.
Right, and they're like buried in this stuff. So
We got a
Yeah.
lot of organizing to do.
we do, yeah. We got this from a Facebook Marketplace deal, actually. We paid $130 for this bundle of the Super Nintendo. And we got a bunch of games to it, too. For right now, I will show you 3.
We were
so can
testing
find
them.
The other ones, yeah. We got Super Mario World, Donkey Kong Country 2, and Super Mario All-Stars.
We also had Donkey Kong Country 1.
Yeah, we got 8 other games. They're around here somewhere. I actually might keep this for myself. If you guys don't know, Kevin Durant is my favorite player.
If y'all have any questions or any concerns, just let me know.
Okay.
Thank you. That's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that's Kevin. I don't know about that.
Would you make a deal with me on this?
A little, yeah.
What's the little deal? Would you do $5 for it? Cause
6.
and Kobe Bryant, of course, he's passed away. So rest in peace, Kobe. He was a really, really good player. But I seen this and I was like, oh my gosh, dude, I like have to have it.
That's from like the playoffs in 2012,
Right.
I believe. So
Yeah, so I just thought this was super cool. If I don't, I'm gonna price this high with the intention not to sell it. So
I want to keep it too.
yeah. We also got these golf shoes. I don't really deal with like clothes too much or any kind of apparel, but
But
these
like
were,
sports shoes are good.
yeah, these were golf shoes. You can tell because of the little rivets or pivots, whatever you want to call it, in the bottom. And they almost look brand new. The reason you can tell that they're brand new is because of the letters in the inside. You can tell just because.
And they're super white still. Like, don't even look like they needed to be cleaned ever.
Exactly. And
He paid
white
$5 for
shoes.
those.
Yeah, he wanted 10, paid 5.
And he said yes so fast.
Yeah.
Get rid of them.
And then we went to Goodwill, and you know, this was the Wii game I was talking about. Picked this up for $4.94. The game is a little scratched, but we'll see if it works. And if it needs to be resurfaced, I'll just do that. And then this didn't really need to be resurfaced, which I was so happy about. So if you guys don't know, this is the sports game to look out for, because right now, currently at the low end, it's going for like $135. So we got a little visitor.
You shut the door.
Yeah, and I'm glad I saw that at the Goodwill.
You paid $5 for it?
Yeah, I paid $5 for that and the Wii Sports, so like $11 total. So, and this is all the free baby stuff that MJ got today.
All
these are
baby
just
clothes. But they were free, so
free.
we're gonna take them.
This little fishing rod, it's kind of like a boom. Like you shoot it into the water, you reel it in, and that's how it works. Honestly, I don't really know how it works, but I know it's a fishing rod. I know that for sure. So I got this for $2. We have this bread maker.
Was free actually. She forgot to charge us for it, but she said it was okay.
Yeah.
And the brand is really important on this one. It's like I'll just show you because I can't pronounce it. We had one of these once and it sold for over $100. So I knew the brand, and we'll just sell the paddle and the pan and call it a day.
When in doubt, part it out. We got this Roomba iRobot. It was for $60. I asked him was he doing a deal, and he said he'll do it all for $50. So
and it came with like extra parts.
Replenishable kit. It looked like it's open, but it looked like it was never used inside. So that's a plus. We got this Charmander little Pokemon plush. I like to look out for the Pokemon plush because they tend to sell well for us. So,
That was 25 cents.
Yeah, he was 25 cents. PS3, it wasn't even out. I just asked him, did they have a PS3? And he said, do they have any games? And they were talking and
I overheard him. He said, I think I have a PS3 system upstairs.
Yeah, and I was like, even if you got the system, I'll look at that too. And he said, I'll bring it down. And once he brought it down, he was like, dude, I was just taking it for $5, And I was like, $5. Here you go, sir. At least one of these are the backwards compatible. And the backwards compatible can go for like 140 to 180, probably even 200 if it's in really good shape. In the next sale we went to, we got a lot of Power Ranger stuff, and we paid $25 for all this Power Ranger stuff.
Including this big one back here.
Yeah, and the big one had $25 on it by itself. So it was this, and all of this stuff goes to make this big thing.
And they have the little like darts that shoot out with it.
Yeah, so that was always a plus.
Okay.
And then, he's like, why don't you show me? I'll show you. But we got this Chewbacca little.
Okay.
I think it's on Thrift Mind's channel. So I figured, if they sold it, I could sell it too. So, and that is the big haul for today, you guys.
And yesterday.
Yeah, and yesterday too. And we spent $333 on all of this stuff over the weekend today. So.
This game will make half that back.
Right, this game and this Roomba will literally pay for all of it. So we will catch y'all on the What's Up.